All right, what are we doing this morning? Trying to fight off seasonal depression. Ron got new tires.
I did.
And a super old jersey that's got some real good holes in it, but it's all right. More ventilation.
There's nothing wrong with holes. Like, I'm glad you don't want to take your new jerseys out on this.
Yeah.
You save your new jerseys for the races.
Oh. All right. What if I don't race though?
Well,
then I need to start.
You can get some holes in it.
Well, we're gonna go ride here, so it'll be fun.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat
Good?
Yeah, I like that trail better.
Yeah. I know it is. It's nice, huh?
Yeah. Okay. We are training today. This week is all about standing up. So I'm gonna stand up as long as I can. Oh shoot.
the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruise.
All right, that's the most I've stood up for a long time. Awesome, feels good. I'm gonna try stand up for a little longer. I gotta get my forearms and hands in shape though. Whew.
Chance to be ruthless. That is your chance to be ruthless. That is your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me naked, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared of.
Good job, you're standing up.
All right, I felt like I did a lot better that time. Also, I ran over a mouse, I think.
Oh, did you?
So, yeah,
Nice.
didn't have a choice. But I did have a dream last night that a mouse got into my helmet and made a nest. So I didn't feel super bad. Anyways, we're gonna keep ripping.
I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep. Is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. Finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Yes. Somebody's cleared some stuff out, but there's this huge log jam
Oh,
up there still.
we'll have to come back and chop it up.
I know. I need to buy one of those old Milwaukee.
I was thinking like one of us carries the saw, the other ones carry the battery,
Gotcha.
and then then you're not carrying as much
I
weight.
used to have just bring my gas card on a
Oh, yeah.
backpack that it would fit into. I was top heavy, but still wasn't bad.
Yeah. Whew.
Okay, let's go back and ride. What time is it? 8:22. Let's hurry and go ride that other trail, and we'll head back. Well, you
Okay.
got to be back by 10.
Ish. Yeah.
Yeah.
Penny said she was all right missing swim today, so. And that she's with grandma, so that doesn't happen very much. So.
All right.
Yeah, I'd like to ride that other trail.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
I'll meet you. You know what? I'm gonna go to the other trail and ride up,
Okay.
and then I'll flip around and come back down.
Okay. It's crazy how much snow melted off of that
Really?
trail. Because I rode it just a couple days after we did,
Yeah.
and almost the whole trail was clear.
Wow, that's crazy.
It's wild.
Yeah, I wish all this stuff would clear out so we could.
Yeah, I can't remember what this trail's like past here, but it opens up into a meadow,
Yeah,
right?
kind of a meadow, and
And then it kind of goes up to that side.
Yeah.
And then, okay.
yeah, I like this trail.
I think this is where I got chased by that dog.
Probably. All right, you ready?
Yep. almost. Sick, dude. Siri, pause.
That was good.
Siri, pause. What?
That was good.
Dude, you're a rocket, man. That's awesome.
I really like these new tires.
Yeah?
I went over this creek,
Yeah.
like hopped this rock was about that big,
Oh, jeez.
but I'm good.
Yeah.
But I landed in this puddle where somebody had dug out with their back tire and just went boom over the bars.
You did?
Totally over.
Are you
bars.
okay?
Yeah. I got up and was like, holy crap. Like yeah, it was crazy.
Wow. I don't think I've gotten stuck in a creek, so I don't think it was me.
It was right after the creek, and it's like all these like kind of bouldery type things.
Yeah.
But I was like, oh, I'm going to just hop that rock, and I landed right in the puddle in my front wheel, and it just like was like in this rut like this.
Oh, jeez. Wait, which creek was it?
I don't know. It's probably
one up here?
a mile up.
Okay.
So.
That's sick.
All right.
Do we want to go back up or do you want to head back down?
What time is it? 47. I probably better get back.
Okay.
All right. You good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think. Because that'll put us back by that 9:30, 9:45.
Cool.
All right.
Yeah, dude, this is fun, man. I
know.
It was kind of fun. Like, I was trying because I'm like, Ron's coming at, like, I wanted to be past that first meadow. Or was there a meadow back there? I can't. Anyways, there was a point there. I was like, I just want to meet him after that.
I think I know what you're talking about now.
Like, there's, yeah. Well,
yeah.
Yeah, anyways.
So now we'll remember.
Just after the,
is that
that mud hole. Do you go around it or do you go through it?
Around it right now.
You
I don't
what?
know if it's open, is it? Isn't there a big log across?
There's a huge log. You can kind of go around it.
Yeah.
But.
All right.
Jared went around it the other day, and it took him a while. Jared.
Gotcha. I'll meet you back up where we start timing on that trail.
Okay. So sick. All right. Here we go. 22:11.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Last time I timed it, it was 28.
Yeah, I actually lost, so I was at 12:52.
That's killer though. All right, it was a sick ride. Felt like I did better today. I just got to work through the arm cramps and pumps and stuff, but it was fun. And yeah, we're gonna keep going. Ron's got to get to work, and I got to pick up kids from grandma. So catch you guys later.